The state of Telangana, the Chief Minister and KT Rama Rao have locked horns now in a massive face-off in the state of Telangana. And in fact, the Telangana Assembly, the Chief Minister accused KTR of dynasty politics. Remember, KTR is the son of former Chief Minister KCR. Now, while speaking in the Assembly, Chief Minister Revant Reddy said that people were not in politics because of their fathers and grandfathers' name, but by working from the grassroots level. And Reddy even alleged that he came into power from the lower level and became the Chief Minister. Now, taking a dig at the Chief Minister, KTR questioned that when Chief Minister was talking about the father and the grandfather, was he talking about Rahul Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi? Listen into the war of words.
మా నాయన నాకేమో ఇట్లా ఉచితంగా కుర్చీలు ఇచ్చి చదువు రాకపోయినా తీసుకొచ్చి మంత్రులను చేయలే. మా నాయన చదువు రాకపోయినా సందే లేకపోయినా మాకు మంత్రులను చేసి ఇంట్లో కూసబెట్టలే. మేము కష్టపడి కింద నుంచి జిల్లా పరిషత్లో పనిచేసినాం, శాసన మండలిలో పనిచేసినాం, శాసనసభ్యుడిగా పనిచేసినాం, పార్లమెంటు సభ్యుడిగా పనిచేసినాం, ఈ రోజు ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా పనిచేస్తున్నాం. అధ్యక్ష, ఇదంతా స్వయం కృషితోని కష్టపడి తెలుసుకొని అవగాహన కల్పించుకొని సభలకు వచ్చినాం. అధ్యక్ష, అయ్య పేరు తాత పేరు చెప్పుకొని ఇందులోకి రాలేరు. కాబట్టి దయచేసి
అధ్యక్ష, నేను కూడా అనొచ్చు అధ్యక్ష, పేమెంట్ కోటాలో ముఖ్యమంత్రి పదవి కొట్టేసిన నేను కూడా మాట్లాడడం, మేము కూడా మాట్లాడతాం. అయ్యేళ్ళ పేర్లు చెప్పి పదవులు అంటే రాహుల్ గాంధీని అంటుండా, రాజీవ్ గాంధీని అంటుండా నాకు తెలియదు అధ్యక్ష. ఎవరిని అంటుండ అధ్యక్ష? ఆయన ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు ఇప్పుడు? చాలా.
Well, as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, the party has hit out at both the Chief Minister as well as KTR, alleging that Revant Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana's tall claim about nepotism and coming up through hard work are quite hilarious, whereas KTR's identity is only because of KCR, who's been the former Chief Minister of Telangana. On the other hand, the Bharatiya Janata Party went on to say that Revant Reddy, before commenting about nepotism, should take a hard, close and cold look at into the party he belongs to, that is the Congress party.
Minister of Telangana making tall claims about nepotism and about hard work and how he came from Zilla Parishad and then an MLA and then an MP and now a Chief Minister is indeed hilarious, and it's almost like the pot calling the kettle black. Because granted that KTR has gotten what he wanted only, or rather has gotten his political identity only thanks to KCR. However, before Mr. Revant Reddy wants to speak about nepotism, he needs to take a hard, close, cold look at which party he belongs to. His party, the Congress party, is the signature campaign of nepotism. Everybody is somebody's son, daughter, granddaughter, grandson, wife, etc. All the way from Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter Indira Gandhi, and then to her son and sons Rajiv Gandhi and Sanjay Gandhi, and then Rajiv Gandhi's wife Sonia Gandhi, and then Rahul Gandhi, and now trying really hard to crown Priyanka Gandhi. So, Congress party and people belonging to the Congress party should be the absolute last persons and people to talk about nepotism. And granted that Congress party is the bedrock of nepotism in Indian politics,